Hi, gorgeous. Welcome to Femme Glow, and thank you for being here. Today, I'm excited to share 5 tips with you on how to always look pretty and polished. But elevating your appearance as a woman isn't just about looking good. It's about owning your style and seizing every opportunity with confidence. Picture this. With each step, you exude radiance, leaving a lasting impression wherever you go. Whether you're in the boardroom or brunching with friends, your flawless grooming and fashion choices reflect your vibrant personality, opening doors to endless possibilities. And let's not forget the sweet feeling of those self-care moments, where each skincare routine and workout session adds a glow from within. So, grab your favorite drink, get comfy, and let's dive in. Let's craft a beauty self-maintenance plan that embodies the philosophy of be high maintenance to be low maintenance, because taking care of yourself doesn't have to be complicated or time-consuming. First things first, let's talk about the concept of being high maintenance to achieve low maintenance living. It's all about investing a little extra time and effort up front to save yourself from future headaches down the road. By staying on top of your beauty routine and prioritizing self-care, you'll ultimately spend less time fixing problems and more time feeling fabulous. Now, on to creating your self-maintenance schedule. Think of it as your personal roadmap to looking and feeling your best, without the stress or overwhelm. Start by scheduling regular nail and toe care sessions to keep your digits looking chic and polished. Whether you prefer a classic red or a trendy nail art design, taking the time to care for your nails can instantly elevate your look. Next up, let's talk hair care. Schedule regular trims to keep your locks healthy and vibrant, and don't forget to indulge in a nourishing hair mask to restore moisture and shine. Planning ahead for hair removal is also essential to avoid any last-minute emergencies. Whether you prefer shaving, waxing, or using hair removal creams, staying on top of your grooming routine will help you feel confident and put together. And of course, no self-maintenance schedule would be complete without a little self-indulgence. Treat yourself to a spa day at home with a relaxing facial mask, or indulge in a soothing massage to melt away stress and tension. Remember, taking the time to unwind and pamper yourself is essential for maintaining both your physical and mental well-being. So go ahead, embrace the concept of being high maintenance to achieve low maintenance living, and create a self-maintenance schedule that works for you. By investing in yourself and prioritizing self-care, you'll not only look fabulous, but feel fabulous too. They say that clothes make the woman, and I couldn't agree more. Your wardrobe choices can truly transform how you present yourself to the world. It's not just about following trends. It's about curating a collection of pieces that make you feel confident, comfortable, and effortlessly stylish. Investing in timeless pieces is key. These are the building blocks of your wardrobe that will stand the test of time and never go out of style. Think classic tailored blazers, crisp white shirts, perfectly fitted jeans, and versatile little black dresses. These staples form the foundation of a chic and sophisticated look that can take you from day to night with ease. But don't be afraid to inject some personality into your wardrobe. Experiment with different textures, patterns, and accessories to add interest and flair to your outfits. Whether it's a statement necklace, a bold print blouse, or a fun pair of shoes, don't shy away from expressing your unique style. Remember, confidence is the best accessory you can wear. No matter what you're wearing, owning it with confidence will instantly elevate your look. Stand tall, walk with purpose, and embrace your individuality. After all, true style isn't just about what you wear, it's about how you wear it. So, take the time to curate a wardrobe that reflects who you are and makes you feel amazing every time you step out the door. Invest in pieces that flatter your figure, reflect your personality, and bring you joy. Because when you feel good about what you're wearing, it shows. And that's the ultimate style statement. Accessories and extras are the unsung heroes of your overall look, adding that final touch of polish and personality. From statement jewelry to a spritz of your favorite perfume, these little details can elevate your outfit from ordinary to extraordinary. When it comes to completing your ensemble, don't overlook the power of accessories. A chic scarf, a stylish belt, or a classic watch can effortlessly tie your look together and make a statement. Let's also acknowledge the power of perfume. A signature scent can leave a lasting impression and add an air of sophistication to any outfit. And don't underestimate the importance of footwear. Elegant shoes with even a slight elevation can elongate your silhouette and add a touch of glamour to your look. Whether it's a pair of classic pumps, stylish boots, or trendy sneakers, the right shoes can take your outfit to a whole new level. Remember, it's the details that truly make or break your look. Paying attention to the little things, from choosing the perfect accessories to selecting the right shoes, can make a world of difference in how you present yourself to the world. So, take the time to add those finishing touches and watch as your outfit transforms into something truly remarkable. Mastering the art of makeup isn't just about following trends or trying to achieve a certain look. It's about embracing your unique features and enhancing your natural beauty in a way that makes you feel confident and empowered. Whether you're a makeup novice or a seasoned pro, honing your skills and developing your own signature style can be a fun and rewarding journey. First things first, it's important to understand your face shape, skin type, and undertones. This knowledge will help you choose the right products and techniques to accentuate your best features and create a flawless canvas for your makeup looks. Next, invest in quality makeup brushes and tools. These are your secret weapons for achieving professional-looking results. From blending brushes to precision eyeliner brushes, having the right tools on hand can make all the difference in your makeup application. When it comes to makeup products, less is often more. Focus on building a versatile makeup collection with high-quality essentials that can take you from a natural daytime look to a glam evening vibe. Think a good foundation or tinted moisturizer, concealer, neutral eyeshadow palette, mascara, blush, and a versatile lip color. Experimentation is key to mastering makeup for yourself. Don't be afraid to step out of your comfort zone and try new techniques or trends. Whether it's mastering the perfect winged eyeliner or nailing a flawless contour, practice makes perfect. And remember, makeup should be fun. It's a form of self-expression and creativity, so don't take it too seriously. Play around with different colors, textures, and finishes, and embrace your unique style. After all, the most beautiful makeup is the kind that makes you feel like the best version of yourself. So go ahead, unleash your inner makeup artist, and master the art of makeup for yourself. Moving your body is essential for both physical and mental well-being. Finding a physical activity that suits you is key, and it doesn't have to involve hitting the gym every day. Whether it's going for a leisurely walk, dancing to your favorite song, or practicing some relaxing yoga poses, the important thing is to find something that you enjoy and makes you feel good. The beauty of physical activity is that it's not just about staying fit, it's also about boosting your mood and confidence. When you engage in activities that you love and that make you feel good, you radiate beauty from the inside out. So, whether it's breaking a sweat with a high-intensity workout or simply stretching your body and clearing your mind with some gentle yoga, do what makes you feel good and beautiful. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all approach to fitness. The key is to find activities that resonate with you and fit seamlessly into your lifestyle. So, lace up your sneakers, roll out your yoga mat, or crank up the music and dance like nobody's watching. Whatever you choose, just keep moving and keep embracing the beauty of being active. If you follow these tips, I guarantee you will enhance your appearance, concluding our journey to looking pretty and polished. Remember that true beauty comes from within. By caring for yourself, embracing your style, and prioritizing self-care, you're not just enhancing your appearance, you're cultivating confidence and radiating positivity. So keep experimenting with makeup, fashion, and self-expression. And always remember, the most beautiful thing you can wear is a smile. Thanks for being here with me. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more inspiration. Until next time, stay fabulous.